I'm Mark Davis of B&W News, and I'm reporting from the Denver Gold Group's annual gold conference in Denver. And I'm here with David Cole, the president of the Eurasian Minerals. David, how are you today?
I'm doing well, Mark. Thank you.
Haiti's been in the news a great deal lately, and it hasn't been positive news, but you do have some positive news to report.
You know, the geology of Haiti is astounding, and a lot of folks aren't aware of the fact that the mineral belt, which transects through the island of Hispaniola, includes the Pueblo Viejo deposit on the Dominican Republic side, which is one of the largest gold deposits in the Western Hemisphere, and it's being advanced by Barrick and Goldcorp. The rocks that host that excellent mineralization strike across the border onto the Haitian side, and we've been there advancing those deposits and advancing those prospects over the last few years with some very credible results at the surface, and attracted Newmont Mining Corporation to come in as a shareholder and joint venture partner and help us out in Haiti, and things are going very well.
Eurasian Minerals has been performing very well recently. The share price is trending upwards quite nicely. What value drivers would you suggest will continue the stock's upward trajectory over the coming months?
Because we practice the prospect generation business model, we have a large portfolio of assets globally. And according to the prospect generation business model, we acquire assets, we add value, and then seek to joint venture those assets and get other people's money expended on our properties. We have 94 projects worldwide. Roughly half of those are joint ventured with other companies. We have about $10 million worth of other people's money being expended on our projects to advance them. So it's a bit of a unique model in the exploration space. We're in a position now where negative results on any given project will have a minimal impact on our share price, because it's other people's money that's being spent to advance those projects, whereas positive results on any one or two could have a significant impact on the upside. And I believe that the market's starting to recognize the value of that business model and the value of having 94 quality projects worldwide, and the $10 million of other people's money, Newmont and Centerra and Freeport, they're spending money on our projects to advance in different geological settings around the world that are credible. And so there's a number of different catalysts that can come to continue to get the traction in the marketplace that's representative of the value in the portfolio.
With so many projects on the go, how is your working capitalization situation?
Well, our working capital situation is excellent. We have over $16 million in cash, and the important thing is we don't spend a lot of money. The bulk of the money that we spend is other people's, and that's part and parcel to the business model.
Okay. So other companies are earning in on your projects?
That's correct.
David, are there any other key points or developments that will be of particular interest to investors?
Well, we're advancing in organic growth, building new business units in various parts of the world, and continuing to build our portfolio. But one key thing that we've done recently is add Paul Zink on as president of Eurasian Capital, a division of Eurasian Minerals, focusing on royalty purchases and extending our merchant banking business model that we've done quietly and effectively throughout the history of the company. I think that's a very important advancement.
David, I'm sure we'll be hearing plenty more of Eurasian Minerals in the news. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you for your interest.